Alkaline recently took the stage in Trinidad at Summer Stage, and it didn't take long for Alkaline to stir up controversy. In response to Vybz Kartel claim that half of dancehall is his DNA and that he's the one who set the trend, Alkaline fired back at Vybz Kartel, stating that I don't care who did it first, I'm running things now. While Alkaline is undoubtedly a talented artist, in my opinion, I would say Massacre is running things and Skillibeng is doing it internationally, and they are both dominating the dancehall scene at the moment. It's interesting that after months of not hearing anything from Alkaline, just pure silence, the first thing Alkaline does is take a shot at Vybz Kartel, proving that some things just never change.